Hi, fellow singers. Many of you mentioned that singing high notes is one of your challenges, your vocal challenges. Now, I'm going to challenge you on the notion of high or low in singing. Really, notes are a product of our vocal fold vibration and how fast our vocal folds vibrate. The faster they vibrate, the higher the pitch we hear. So it's fast, not high. High, when we think of high, we think up there. Oh, that's high, I've got to reach that. Oh, and that's low, I've got to go down and find that thing down there. That is the problem, is that we subconsciously assume that high notes are up there and low notes are down there. And so when we're going to sing higher pitches, or if you like, faster frequencies, we go looking for it up here. We reach for it. We raise our chin up. And we add all this tension that is totally unnecessary. Unfortunately, people called it high and low instead of fast and slow. So I challenge you to take high and low out of your thought pattern when you're singing and just use different vocal ranges that you sing and have fun with your voice first. So in order to find high notes, let's first just go do some funny sounds. Now these are not sung, they're just spoken. So go with me on this and have fun. And all it is being free. It shouldn't be it shouldn't feel uncomfortable at all. It should feel easy. So we're going to go. I want you to do what I do. Kind of. Just do your own thing, but try and match what I'm doing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh yes! Oh no! Oh yes! Ooh! Yoo-hoo! Cool. So they're all sounds that are going from high to low, and there should be a fair bit of ease involved in doing that. So it's not challenging, it's not difficult. It should feel hopefully easier than when you are singing those. But what we want to do is add that into our singing. So instead of going up and down in notes, from now on go side to side or front to back. So notes are on this plane or they're on this plane. So let's start here and imagine your hand is like a paintbrush on a wall and you're going to go ooh, and again ooh. If you're a guy and that's too high, start a little lower. Ooh. Now I'm keeping my head level. I'm not raising it up and down. That's number one. The sound is just, and to make sure I'm just kind of doing a little bobblehead every now and then. So the sound is just sliding through my range without me thinking it's high and low. I'm just making different sounds. Ooh. Okay, I'm hoping that will help with changing the way you think about notes as not being high and low, being fast and slow, and going from side to side or front to back this way, but never up and down. Okay, see you soon. Bye.